Hi guys, it's me, and today we're going to play Subway Surfers. I've been playing this for a long time, and I know how to play. So yeah. Pretty much not a pro, but still good. I don't have that much coins, but a little. Still good, huh? Like, who cares? You don't need a lot of stuff. Like, who cares about whatever people think? I'm not wasting 3 keys for that. Well, anyways, I'm playing Subway Surfers. Hawaii. I'm playing Hawaii in a Hawaii map. Oh, I almost died. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna die any minute. Oh no, never mind. Feels like I am, but I'm not. Oh, if I just went up there, I would have got that. Oh well. Who cares? That was just in the past. We're just focusing on our future. I literally almost died. I'm getting... No! I wish you could go back, because I would go back and get the eye. Sorry. I'm starting to get a cold a little. No! I keep missing the eye. Oh my gosh. Yes! I finally at least got one. Now I'm gonna get the eye. Okay. Yep. Oh! I died! Well, that was a good round, I suppose. Oh, I'll show you all the skins I have. Let me just show you my skins. So, I have Fresh. I don't have Funk outfit, though. Wait, what's on boards? What's new on boards? Cool. Cool! Oh, I just need... Okay, what's new on characters? Oh! No! $18 days left. Now I'm gonna try to get him in the past. In the future. I'll show you the skins I have. I have Tricky. As you saw, I have Fresh. I don't have that much. I have Goth outfit of Lucy. I have Lucy in Goth outfit. I have Ninja in Yang outfit. I have Tagbot in Space outfit. Don't have Tasha. No one over there. Of course, I have Dark outfit of Jake, and I have Jake. Okay, so yep, that's all I have. I'm just gonna be Fresh. Oh, what's this? There's gonna be a pop-up. Okay, let's just... Why is there always pop-ups? That's just weird. Okay, so... Subway Surfers. I need to get V and then E. Good. I'm gonna. What should I do? I'm gonna do something soon. Ooh! Oh no! Oh no! After I'm gonna upload something on Zombie Rush. Ooh. Finally, I got the E. Now I finished the word live all in one video. Good. Oh, I have daily challenge complete. Yay, now I get to open a mystery box. Hopefully I'll get something good. Whoa, I just... No! Okay, I died. That's fair, I suppose. 'Cause I do get more coins. How much coins? 500. Well, at least I got a lot of coins now. Guys, I know this was a short video. I hope you enjoyed. And leave a like and comment below if you have ever played Subway Surfers. And if you did, what's your skin right now? And what's all your skins? Okay? So, bye!